Okay, here we are. We're looking at this. Well, it's actually Thanksgiving now, and we're looking at this Collins. And what do we see? Well, we see some wires that are kind of broken loose now. That's a problem. This thing has. Look at this thing. It's got loose solder joints. This thing here, it's not even connected. It's loose. The area it was supposed to be connected to was right down there, and it has come off, so that's one problem. And if we go on the other side, right there, let's see. Get a light over there maybe. Let's see. The fuse coming in right here. Well, right there is where this resistor should be connected, and it's in midair. It's not there. So that's another problem. Let's see. And I did take and loosen the screws on the electrolytic. Now, if you notice the wiring, they have all this nice bundled wiring that Collins used, and what does the idiot do? He went ahead and he basically got rid of it all, and he just taped it all up rather than use the original wiring. No, he added more junk to it, and he added more wire, and he shouldn't have. So we got these. They're just hanging there that are supposed to go ahead and replace that big cap, but they really aren't doing that. They're just making a big mess. I mean, it looks like they're, not that old. I have yet to go and test them to find out if they're leaky or not. But what I'm seeing in this receiver, it just keeps getting worse and worse. Yeah, these are newer caps you put in, but then you look over here, back in the back, like back up there, how many wires cross over that were bare? I mean, I'm sure this thing did not have that many bare wires. Look at this. It's going over top of another bare wire. This one right over here, where my pointer is. Let's see if you can see my pointer. You see my pointer? Oh, it's over there. Trying to find out where my pointer is. Oh, here it is. Yeah, but look at this one. It just goes there, and it goes over the top of another resistor, and then there's actually another bare wire right next to it. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, I'm finding this all over this place, all over this thing, and I know Collins didn't do that. Somebody had to go ahead and they rewired this thing like crazy. Now look at this one. There's another one up here. Oh, look at this. Look at this handy dandy modification up here. I'll make it bigger if we can see it. It's up here. Let's see, right there, where my pointer is. Yeah, it's kind of covered now. Hold on. Yeah, trying to move it. He actually has another, looks like a potentiometer here. It's floating in midair between the two IF stages. Why, I have no idea. I guess if I move that black wire out of the way, and I'll move this thing in. Let's see, right. Yeah. It's a disaster right there. Look at this thing. It's sitting right there. And it's connected to more bare wires again. I don't know what this guy had about using bare wire, but I mean, that's all I see around here. And I know Collins had all these nice bundled wires and everything else. Well, obviously, Like this whole section down here, this was rewired. I can tell you that right now. Collins didn't do that. Got my little pointer there, look. All these wires here, that was not done by Collins. Theirs would have been, a nice, neat little bundle, like one's up here, like this. But, yeah, he's got single wires coming out. We go down here. Yeah, right here. This yellow wire. It just comes out from underneath the bottom. I know it didn't. I know it was in a bundle somewhere. Had to probably have been in this one up here, in the top, more than likely. So, yeah, go figure. So, yeah, I definitely got my work cut out for me on this one. I mean, yeah, I'm going to solder back some of these, but some of these other things, especially like, caps that are this old, I got to get rid of. I'm not going to leave a 0.5 at 600 volts sitting there. That's no good. I'm going to have to remove that. Yeah, some of these others were the dip caps. Yeah, they removed those. Those are new, so I'm not going to bother with those. But, oh my God, he's just got so many weird things he's changed in this thing. It is going to take me forever. Well, anyway, that's my frustration for today. And everybody have a nice Thanksgiving. I will be going later today because my daughter had to work. And she's no longer working at a casino. She's working for Tesla. So, on the line there. So anyway, here we are. I'll see you guys later. Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving.